Today we're featuring a 2016 Honda Accord LX. It's a certified Honda. It's got 25,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's Basque red pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down the driver's side here. Everything's in great shape. It does have the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Really nice vehicle here. It is a certified Honda. It's going to get you some extra warranty coverage, multi-point inspection. Okay, this thing's been looked over very well. It's priced right, ready to sell. You got the black and beige door, two-tone door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the beige cloth driver's seat. It's got the nice pattern in the cloth there. All right, but the cloth's in good shape. Does come with a keyless entry key fob and the passenger seat cloth. Alright, it is also in good shape. It is an automatic. It's got your power outlet down there. Dual climate controls. Alright, got AM FM CD player, and it'll all be in display right there, and your backup camera as well, and we'll show you that in a second. It does have the steering wheel, audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 25,250 miles on it. Right, now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you your display screen. All right, and then it'll have your AM, FM. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. And I'll show you your dual climate controls again. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Go ahead and take a look back here. The back seat cloth is in great shape. And as you can see, very well taken care of. You got the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at your trunk space. It's got the nice thick rubber protector mat back here. Carpet's in good shape. It does have your spare tire and jack back here. Alright, step to the side so you can see the depth of just how much room you've got. Plenty of room back here in this Accord. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. No, we got 16-inch alloys. 16-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires on here. You can still see the marking on there. Alright, once again, we got a certified 2016 Honda Accord LX. Got a clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Only 25,000 miles on it. Come down, check it out. It's going to be fairly priced. It's going to be competitively priced. You got to check this one out. Come down, take a test drive. Thanks for watching the video.